So, first of all, let me thank you for coming out. And today we're going to continue with the heart. So, this is a heart based meditation because the things we want is in our hearts. Okay? So, for example, what is it you want in life?
Be a working actor.
Oh, nice, nice. Beautiful. So that is what is in your heart. And you can, of course, be a working actor. It's not, you're not trying to go to the star, to the sun. You're trying to do what is,
Yes.
it's a reasonable thing you're trying to do. So even if you say you want to be president, it's still reasonable. So what am I saying about this is that the heart is very important. And if I ask you, the heart is associated with love. So if I ask you, why do you think we associate the heart with love?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No, sorry.
I'm sure you send emojis to your friends with love in it. You know what I mean? So that love emoji is a heart, right? Good. And it's red. I'm not sure why it's red, but probably because the red represents blood, right? So love is kind of like an energy.
Sorry.
No, it's cool. Love is kind of an energy, and love is also an emotion. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do the love, but heart, okay? Because now we know love is heart. So we're referring to the center of the chest right here, not the heart proper. So the heart, of course, is associated with love, okay? So, this is an ancient thing. It's probably biblical, from ancient times. And I think humans are, like that. So what we're going to do is to go back to this, this chest, the heart. And when we talk about the heart, just like in heart chakra is here in the center, okay? So what we're going to do is just to feel that center, feel it. So what we're doing is like, some people call it spiritual, but I call it like mindful. They call it mindful, of course, because you're just using your mind to go into that center, the heart, and feel it. So whenever you're ready, we're gonna just stand and breathe, but feel the chest center of the heart like this. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So feel the chest center of that chest. What we're doing is we're doing what they call a heart attention training. We want to feel the heart all the time. So we're going to take this a little bit further by feeling the heart, breathing, and moving. Taking an additional step. Feel, breathe, move. Okay? So we feel and move. Just any movement you can make. Move the chest. Just feel that chest while you're moving. Because what we're trying to do is to be our chest. This actress you have in your mind, you want it to come out. No more shyness. Move the heart. Okay. So we're going to take it one level further, which means we're going to shake this heart. We're going to feel it and shake it, okay? So we'll do something like this. Shaking the heart, feeling it, shaking it. Okay. So how do you feel?
I feel fine.
Okay, cool. Now, we feel the heart. The next thing we're going to do is to add shoulder movement because we want this heart. This is like this. What you have in your heart is being an actress, working actress. So it's here, it's in your heart. And we want to like move this energy because you know, of course, that the power in you is greater than the power in the world. You can be an actress. Of course, you can. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do is feel that heart again. I'm going to add shoulder movements, okay? So just move the shoulder, right one back, left one front, right back, left front. Good. Feel the heart. Breathe. Feel the heart breathe. Okay. Feel the heart breathe. Okay. Then we're going to increase the hand motion, okay? Feel the heart breathe. Close your eyes if you like. Okay. And then, finally, we're going to add hip motion because we want to move the whole structure, okay? So it's like the thing they do in Tai Chi like this, okay? That's like where you want to be, but combining it with motion. So we're moving the whole energy because you want to be unstoppable in being an actress. That means nothing will stop you. That means you will be an actress, working actress, making money as an actress, and being happy and being who you want to be, okay? So we'll do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move the hip, breathe. Move the hip, breathe. Dance the hip around, dance it around. Breathe, yes. Dance the hip. Actress, heart. Okay. Energy. Yeah, as much as you can. Feel the heart. Okay, so we may of course want to move around doing this like this, but that's beyond the scope of today. All right, so the idea is for you to recognize that your heart is important and this your actress. Being an actress is in the heart, so you want to feel it so that you can gain clarity about the actress. Something like that, right? Cool.